So hello everyone, good morning. My name is Lavanya and I am from Chhattisgarh. So today I am talking about my childhood memory. If you like my video, so please share, subscribe, and please comment on comment box. So without any delay, I start this video. I gonna tell you, since my childhood. So at that times I'm in 50 standard. So that times I already mentioned earlier video. I'm very underconfident girl, but now I'm extrovert just because my confident. So at that times, I'm very underconfident girl and I'm very shy. So one day what happened, I'm in 15th standard. So I am very crazy about learn bicycle. So at that times every day, my big brother have one bicycle lady passenger and another bicycle lady cycle. So bicycle, yeah. So so I'm very crazy about learn bicycle. So at that times, every day I go. First, I use I used to go learn bicycle every day, and then first day I think I'm in too scary, and then I fall two times, and third times I'm also. So at that times, I had you can say like yeah. So at that times, three four times I fall down, but I didn't I didn't you can say pause, and then again I go and learn bicycle. And my brother, he was said, Lavanya, you literally want to bicycle, so first you balance yourself and then you learn. So at that times, I focus my paddle, and even I focus my balance, and then I learn three four times I fall, because I learn bicycle. At that times I don't know how to learn, but that times my big brother, he was also support me, just because I know very well in bicycle also. And another incidents I tell, what happened. Another incidents also, one day, yeah, I think I'm in ninth, yeah, ninth in standard. So at that times, me and one of my friends, she girl name is, I think, I don't know. So at that times, what happened. So we fighting each other, yeah, we fighting each other. And she was tell, you are not a good girl, that kind of things. And that times I'm very underconfident and even very shy. So what happened. So at that times I'm in crying, yeah, I'm in crying again and again. And then I come back in my home. So I already said, one, I have one big brother. So he was he was supporting me, and Lavanya, you want to learn bike. So at that time, so yes, yes, brother. Why he was saying, just because I'm crying lot, so that's why. And then that times my I have big smile, and then I go, there were in my side, so there were big ground earlier, but I didn't there were no any ground, but earlier big ground. So at that times, me and my brother, big brother, both of them went there. And then we use he was suggest me, this is a gear, and this is a class. So that kind of he was supporting me. And then two times, I think I am in two times fall in bike also. And even a normal bike and even adventure also, because my big brother he was in very interested to found new bike, so that's the reason. And I am very adventure girl, so that's why I learn. Yeah, I learn bike, every bike I know. Even earlier I used to, even earlier I used to 125 CBR 125, very well, because and and another thing, what happened? Yeah, so another thing, car. And every person saying, Lavanya, you know car very well. So one incident I tell also. So no,
ਵੇਖ ਤੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਵੇ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਹੈਰਾਨੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਲੁੱਟੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਗਲ ਵਾਲੀ ਹੀ ਗਾਨੀ
I mean, I think fall in bike also, but I didn't regret myself, and then I'm keep practicing, and then I know very well, and my father have good friends also. So what happened? One incident also I'm telling. It's totally funny. So my father friends, whenever my father friends come in my home, so and that times I'm in over there, and I'm listening both conversation, what they talk, and then I'm in over there, and then I'm very clever girl. So what happened? So I mean, over they have, and he use scooty also. So at that times I'm in 8th standard. I think I'm in 10 and 12 years. I think at that times, So I'm in over there, and both of them engage conversation, and then I'm hide one you can say like दरवाजा में छुप के मैं उन दोनों की कन्वर्सेशन देखती थी, एंड जैसे ही वो लोग बात करने में बिजी हो जाते थे, मैं चाबी लेकर के रफ्फू चक्कर हो जाती थी. एंड देन आई use also bike and scooty, and then what happened, finished petrol, and then I run away, come back my home, just because I'm very interested to learn bike and even scooty also, just because I'm an adventure girl, so that's the reason. And yeah, my brother have also friends, so my brother friends also have nice bikes, so at that times I'm in over there, and both of them engage conversation, and then I run, so that kind of incidents I enjoy, and I'm too clever, and that kind of incidents I had in my since my childhood. So, and what happened when I learned car? Okay. So, one day, me and my brother, both of them, earlier we have one Wagoner car. At that time, I think 11 standard. Okay. So, Wagoner car, so he was, school, he was teasing me just because I don't know how to drive a car. So, he was teasing me, and then I'm a very when I drive car, and I really want to learn car, just because I'm too excited to learn that times, so what happened? So earlier I already mentioned I am working as I have money. So I go Google and then search Hindu Motor Training School. So Hindu Motor Training School. So at that times, I call brother. I want to learn car. So what's your cost, and what's your fee? So at that times he was saying 3,500. So okay, I pay and I definitely learn car. So at that times, my yes, my brother, he was asking every day, wherever you go morning times, you know. So at that times I am laughing. I didn't go anywhere. I'm just go for stretching like workout, and then I hide. And 15 days passed away, and then I am saying, I know how to car. Give me your car. And then what happened, I drive car and I know very well. And then we both of them go for long drive, and nowadays I also. So that kind of situation since my childhood. So why I'm saying, just because first you fall and then you stable.
मेरी एक लाइन में फिल्म है,
हाँ
वो है कि डोंट चेस सक्सेस।
हाँ
कामयाबी के पीछे मत दौड़ो, आप काबिल बनो। आप काबिल बनोगे तो कामयाबी भी आपके पीछे ही दौड़ेगी।
क्या बात।
And then you achieve your fluency. So earlier I am also, and now I am making mistake while while I am speaking. So at that times I am making mistake, and now I am also making mistake, just because now I am learning. And when I am practicing again and again, so definitely I achieve my fluency. So this is a part of our life. Making mistakes, don't regret, and don't think why I'm making mistakes. So it's common thing. Don't think that kind of thing, because it's only silly. Silly question and answer. And you really want to improve your spoken English. So first, think in English. And thinking English, and then you really want to become learn how to drive a car. So depend on person to person. And now I am learning skating. Why? Because I want to I want to learn new sports also. And I don't know that times why I am learning new sports, just because I make engage my whole day, engage myself. So that's the reason. And every day I also give in English language. So every day like 2 hours, 3 hours, depend on my leisure time. So that kind of every day and why I'm saying that kind of incidents, just because when I was thinking my incidents, and so already what happened, our smile, like big smile you have, just because when we think and when we scroll our older picture, so we have good smile, just because we think I'm in that position, and now I'm in that position. And now I record this session, just because and earlier I'm even single sentence I can't speak, but now I speak very well, and I didn't have any fear. I'm making mistake, it's okay, because without making mistake, how is it possible learn this language? This is our second language, so don't be afraid, and keep practicing and keep learning, because no anyone perfect. Even native speakers also make mistake. No anyone perfect. So that's why I'm saying we are a learner, so don't be afraid. And we sometimes we think people judge and people laugh at me, so who care? Don't think, okay? Don't think. You can do, definitely you can do. So you definitely achieve your fluency, and definitely you remove your hesitation and fear also, because depend on person to person, and you really want to achieve, so you can do every day. and fix your time also, at least 20 minutes, 13 minutes, 15 minutes you every day speaking, and reading and writing, and listening related to English content videos, so every day you more and more fluent, and you didn't give your time. So how to improve your fluency and how to achieve your fluency depend on just you give your time. So you become you become one day definitely become a success person. Earlier I'm not good at in bicycle, and I'm not good at in you can say like bike, and I'm not good at in car. But now I know how to drive a car. When we think and when we listen, when we listen more and more content related to English, so you learn easy. This is not a big deal. You can easily you achieve whatever you want just because our thinking. Okay, we think in Hindi, so you think in Hindi and you learn Hindi, so you are easy to learn Hindi, and you think in English and you every day explore English language, so you one day become a fluent speaker. Depend on you give every day time, so you definitely achieve your fluency. So don't waste your time, you invest your time and you utilize your time. Don't think, yeah, I'm not a good at English. When I talk in English, so at that times I'm fumble and underconfident. Don't think. First, you remove your, that kind of thinking and that kind of silly question. Don't think. I'm saying again and again just because depend on you. And you, whatever you want to achieve your fluency, you, whatever you want to become a fluent speaker, so every day you give 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depend on your leisure time, but at that times you are active, you know and every day you active listening, you active speaking any another person also, so you achieve your fluency. Don't underestimate in yourself. You can explore whatever you want to, you can explore. It's okay, you make mistake, it's okay, it's not a big deal. We are a human, जब भगवान गलती कर सकते हैं तो हम तो ह्यूमन है, हम तो गलती करेंगे ही. So don't think, okay? And yeah, if you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. Another thing what I am saying, earlier I am also watching since my childhood. One thing I forget, so I mentioned in this video. Earlier, I watching Sonpari, Hatim and Chakalaka Boom Boom. So that kind of video I watch also. So आप लोग ये सब वीडियो देखे हो? यस, आप लोग सब लोग देखे हैं तो यस में आप लोग कमेंट कर सकते हो. अगर अब मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. और अपने मम्मी पापा से कितने लोग डांट खाए हैं ये सब देखने के टाइमिंग में. मैंने तो बहुत डांट खाया है. अगर आप लोग भी डांट खाए हो तो आप लोग इस वीडियो में मेंशन कर सकते हो, कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर सकते हो, और कुछ भी जानकारी के लिए आप कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर सकते हो. और रियली वांट टू कनेक्ट विथ मी, so I give my email ID lavanyadansena@gmail.com. Keep practicing, keep learning, and all the best to your bright future. Bye. Take care.